Greetings everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change settings on your CopyMaster account. Click on your account on the left side of your screen to see the details. You will see your own portfolio, where your success rate and exposition will be reflected. Now click three dots next to the Unpublish button and you will see some additional features. Now click Edit Description to add some info and change some settings. First column is the description. Here you can add some info on how an investor can make profit by subscribing to your strategy. Also, you can add some info on the investment horizon, the risks, the key facts, and the investor warning. Now let's get to cooperation terms and conditions. In this section, you can set up a commission for success, the volume commission, the management fee, as well as the payment period, and you also can switch to multi-level commissions. The last but not least, profit and loss level sections. Here you can set up a maximum daily profit level and the maximum daily loss level. So that's basically it. Thank you for your attention and stay tuned for more tutorials.